Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to a brand new Python tutorial video. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to customize the data you extract from the web. So basically it's like the second part of last time's tutorial. But today we will learn how to extract the data, and then we're going to learn how to save it into a new file, and then also how to break it into line and line so it looks better, not unlike last time when all the data was in the same line and we couldn't understand what the data meant. So we're going to break it into lines. It's going to look beautiful. It's going to be in a new file. So yeah, it's going to be fun. Before that, let's see what we did last time. Last time we just extracted the data and then we just printed it out. But today it's going to be great because we're going to know how to put the data into a new file and then how to make it beautiful and structured. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's lesson. Alright, so this was the code we ran last time. So we used the module urllib, we used the component request, and we all know what this guy is though. So let us just basically get on to today's lesson. So today we're not printing out this guy. We are going to write this data into a new file. Before that, let's tell Python to split the data into lines so that we can actually read it, because last time it was just on one line, and I don't know about you, but I never understood what the data meant. So if we split into lines, we might know what the data means. So let's do lines equals CSV, the variable over here, CSV stir, and then go dot split. So what this basically does, it just splits the data into lines according to what argument we give in. So 10 characters, split every 10 characters, split every 12 characters. So yeah, but this time we're just gonna split it using the real data. So put this parameter in. So this is what the parameter this method takes. This is the parameter this method takes. And then let us now name the file. So we don't want it to be, we want a name for the file, right? Because if not, it will get an error. So we have to name it into a variable. So file name equals R this. So you might be wondering why I put R over here. So R basically means raw. So the file, the data we put in will be raw, and yes, that's basically about it. So what do we want to name our file? I'll name it doji.csv. And then we want to write the data into that file, doji.csv. So then let us say effects. So the function we did last time, remember? The open function, the read and write files episode. So open, then what should we open? doji.csv, and what should we do on it? We should write on it. So yes, but today it's not going to be simple because we want to split the lines as well. So we don't want to just write down the function and just write it on, because if we do that, we will get a data with on the same line. So let's go for line and lines. For line and lines, fx dot write fx dot write fx dot write csv fx dot write csv dot no, it's fx dot write line and plus line plus escape character. So line plus escape character. So if you remember this, I told you guys about this a couple of episodes ago. So it just means just create a new line. So then the CSV star.split function shall use this and then use it as a parameter, and then whenever this guy is called on, it will split the line into two parts. So this, we're almost done. So let us now close this guy so it doesn't take up unnecessary memory. Alright, So this is basically it. I'm sorry I couldn't explain it well because this is quite how do you say this? This is quite advanced as well. So yeah, I hope you understood it. I'll explain the code once again though. So we imported the module, we put the data URL into a variable, then we created a function, we created a response, and then we told a variable to read the response and save it into a string file, and then we split the lines into different lines so that it will be more readable and understandable. So we saved the file into a new file named doji.csv, and then we opened the file to write on it. Then we use the for function, and after each line there will be a space split. It will split. So that's pretty much about it. Then we closed this, and then we called on the function, and yes, that's pretty much about it. So let's try run this guy. And if you see over here, there's a new file called doji.csv. If you click on this, there will be data here. So the data is on different lines, and it is quite readable, I think. So this is the date, and I don't know what about this, guys. So yes, that is pretty much about today. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.